Rough diamonds are fascinating natural stones, but not every sparkling rock you find is a real diamond. Whether you're a hobbyist, collector, or just curious, there are simple ways to test rough diamonds at home using safe and practical methods. This guide explains several techniques to help you distinguish genuine diamonds from fakes. 1. Visual inspection. Start by examining the stone closely. Transparency. Real diamonds usually allow light to pass through but create sharp reflections and sparkle. Surface. Rough diamonds have natural imperfections or irregularities. Perfectly smooth or shiny stones may be synthetic. Shape. Diamond crystals often form in octahedral or cubic shapes, unlike quartz or glass, which tend to have more regular or rounded forms. To the water test. A simple and effective test. Fill a glass with water, drop the stone into the glass. Observation. Real diamonds are dense and will sink to the bottom quickly. Fake stones like quartz or glass may float or sink slowly. 3. Fog test. This method checks the stone's ability to disperse heat. Breathe on the diamond to fog it up. Observation. A real diamond disperses heat quickly and clears almost immediately. Fake stones will stay fogged for a few seconds. 4. Scratch test. Optional and careful. Diamonds are extremely hard, 10 on the Mohs scale. You can try scratching a piece of glass with the diamond. Observation. A real diamond will scratch glass easily. However, this method is risky and may damage softer stones. 5. Use a magnifying glass or loupe. Inspect the stone for inclusions or tiny natural flaws. Real diamonds usually have internal imperfections, while synthetic stones or glass are often flawless. 6. Professional confirmation. Even if home tests suggest authenticity, a professional jeweler can provide accurate verification using advanced tools like a diamond tester or UV light. Conclusion. Testing rough diamonds at home can be fun and informative, but always handle stones carefully and avoid destructive methods whenever possible. By combining visual inspection, water tests, fog tests, and magnification, you can increase your confidence in identifying real diamonds. For absolute certainty, professional assessment is recommended.